So guys, if you're facing a downloading problem over on Telegram, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can fix that. So make sure to watch this video till the end, otherwise you can miss something very important. And let's jump right into it. Alright, so currently I'm on my Telegram, and first thing you need to do here is navigate up to the top left, and then you're gonna hit settings. In here you're gonna go to data and storage, and just enable these two options when you're using mobile data and when connected to Wi-Fi, so that when anyone sends any media to you, it will get downloaded in your gallery. Alright, so once you have done with that, now the second thing you need to require is that you're gonna go to your settings. In here you're gonna go to applications and then applications management. Now in here you're gonna search for Telegram. Now go to storage usage and simply clear the cache. And now this is the corrupted cache for the Telegram, so you need to clear that so that all the corrupted cache memory will be cleared and you'll get a resetted version of Telegram. Once you will done with that, you're gonna go back from here and then go to permissions. Now check for the storage permission. Currently if it's checked to don't allow, so you have to check it to allow access to media only. Alright, so you have done with all the steps. Now go ahead and restart your Telegram. Open it up again, and this time you will not get any kind of issue. And most probably this time you will not get any kind of problem. So if you found this video helpful, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.